This video gives an overview of all menu options and icons in PalmTech Inspector. Let's take a look at the icons first. The first icon is for Start a New Inspection. Clicking this will bring up your list of templates to choose from to start the inspection with. The second icon is for opening an existing inspection that you've already worked on. Next we have Save, which will save the current inspection you have open. Fourth is Send to Cloud. This will send the inspection file you currently have open to your cloud drive so that you can open it with the PalmTech app. You must have an internet connection to upload it to the cloud. After that is Print Preview, which will let you see what the report you are currently working on will look like when you print it or when you turn it into a PDF. Next, we have Print. After that is Print to PDF. This will walk you through the process of turning your inspection report into a PDF so that it can be emailed and stored. Here is Add Component, which is followed by Add an Individual Line. After that is Completeness Check, and Completeness Check is a great tool that will show you everything in the inspection that's open that has not been filled out already. Here is Edit Checks, and Edit Checks performs a series of logic checks on your reports that will help ensure there are no mistakes. Review Summary Data lets you see all the items that have been marked in the report to go to a summary. Next is Program Settings, where you have a variety of options for the program. Print Settings is where you can customize the way your reports look. And then finally, we have About. This has some information about the product, including what version you're currently running, and PalmTech's contact information in the case that you have questions. That's a look at the icons, so now let's take a look at the menu options. Many of the menu options are the same as the icons we just looked at. So first we'll go to File. The first three options, New, Open, and Save, are the same as the first three icons we've already seen. After that, we have Save As. This gives you the option to save the file you're currently working on under a new file name. After that, we have two options related to your cloud drive. Open from My Cloud Drive allows you to open an inspection file currently on your cloud drive, and Save to My Cloud Drive lets you save the file you currently have open to your cloud drive. Next, we have Prints, Print Preview, and Print Setup. Print Setup lets you pick what printer you want to print to, as well as other printer-related options. Create a PDF file is followed by Import Library Update. At the bottom, you'll see a list of the last couple of inspections you've worked on, allowing you to easily open one of them up. And then finally, you have Exit, which will close the program. So that's a look at File, and then next, we have Edit. First under Edit is Final Comments, followed by Private Notes. Private Notes is an area where you can make notes to yourself that don't show up anywhere on the report. After that, we have Cost Estimate Disclaimer. And if you use cost estimates, this is where you can edit the disclaimer that shows up at the top of the cost estimate summary. After that is Default Descriptions, and this is where you can set your defaults. For more information on setting defaults, watch the video titled Setting Defaults. Then we have Ratings, and this is where you can edit the ratings that you use. And finally, we have Default Note Colors, and this is where you can edit the colors of the notes based on which rating is selected for the report. After Edit, we have Review. And under Review, we have Completeness Check, Edit Check, and then Spell Check. And Spell Check will run a spell check on your entire report. Summary Items is last, which is the same as the Summary Review icon from the toolbar. Moving on, we have Tools. We have Add Picture, Add Component, Add Category, and then Add Line. After that is Rename Category, Delete Category, and then Delete Line. Next, we have Import Inspection, and this allows you to import parts of one inspection into another, and this is a great tool for team inspections. Here is Save as Template. If you've made changes to the open template and you want to save them for future inspections, you can save the inspection as a new template here. Then finally, we have Reinspect. So moving on to Setup, we first have Program Settings and then Print Settings, which are the same as the ones we saw from the toolbar. Next is Backup to Cloud Drive, and this will back up all of your templates and libraries to your cloud drive. Here is Restore from Cloud Drive, which allows you to restore those files that you backed up to the cloud. Here we have Backup Program Data to Disk, followed by Restore System Backup from Disk. You would use this option if you wanted to back up your files to a flash drive, CD, external hard drive, or something else, and then if you back it up and you want to move it to a new computer to set it up, this is where you would go to restore that backup. And then finally, we have Help. First is About Inspector, followed by Report Issue to Tech Support. And this will walk you through sending a question or support issue to our support staff. This concludes the video on the menu options in Palm Tech.